CultureBuzz's, shalom. My name is Bosmat Niron. I am from Israel and I welcome you to our exhibition at Volvo, the sound of the pop art, which is actually opening today. We will very welcome you, and the method of the pop art is absolutely very known. Started back days with Andy Warhol and following with our mutual understanding to have our globally and locally interaction and our point of view. I will welcome you to have a little look at to what we have done in showing the local view. We have some kind of newspapers having such kind of look. We then look to local instruments, graphics, either coffee and beer, women that has a special unique that's globally, Rolling Stones, the United States flag having their own point of view of looking, new wave, new technologies all over, looking also through the new form of constructions, flowers that could be, related to all places globally. Going through the rider that could be either located in Tel Aviv, Manhattan, Amsterdam, who knows where. Locally, talking about globally, having a, let's say, gesture to Jaguar and all the globally understanding about how do we see life and methods. People, how they see themselves, going back to the United States and the flags. Women, beauty, Lucy in the skies with diamonds. I don't think that we need to have any kind words to say more than that. Talking about pop art, Chanukia that has lots of kinds of flowers, people, weddings, cereals, coming back and having multiplies just like we all do and understand. This is, I think, what we see locally, globally, pop art in all kind of ways. Having also kind of little glare of Einstein in the interpretation of the artist itself. We would say that it's a new look of Einstein. He seems quite happy, I would say. And we all welcome you. The exhibition is going to be here for 3 weeks, so we are all welcome you. Tel Aviv, Volvo, showroom. See you there.